kubleishun suggestion part te kane kalong kajing pentip na mata kitu kibakwa ban tap admission B.Ed hapo PGT College of Teacher Education arts name namta ka B.Ed te ka application form admission form kila ban issue nadu ka arpsan trik haduh arpun trik jong nai me kan kin ai tang haduh san spa terlima ki form te pihak ban lek koloi la bikwa ban lek tap admission chapo PGT te ki na ai tang sanspa tali form but ka by form ka dei 6,000 tingka 1,000 rupees only mo ka kan thup nam tak application form prospectus inclusive of admission test fee tang ban to entrance kata kamut mo haban net shim. The last date for submission of the application form along with attested copies of mark sheet certificates from matriculation onwards and caste travel certificate if applicable is on or before 3rd June. Mudba ka last date kandai lai tarik June. Kenapa ha tang nam ta ka application form man shimi ki form kumud nadu arpsan nadu arpnyau san arpnru nyau tang lai sngi kenapa hak tu sngi lada tang shisngi kelaban lut no te mudba phila akut te hak arpsan hi phapan lei lada phikwa ban tap admission hapo PGT bantu entrance te ki documents phaban phila ban submit akatu sngiru mlele lada kin aban accept te kenapa ki admission ki document ba video bandra gilong ba mark sheet 10 12 terter nadu 10 batch terter haduh ka degree ne PG postgraduate ro master ro phaban submit lang kitabaro te ka last date kadai 3rd June 2022 Friday kandai later June. Interested applicants are requested to produce their mark sheet, bachelor degree, master degree while collecting form. Hakapor ba fileshim form pitibandra iki mark sheet jongka bachelor degree lane jongka master degree. Piabandra alam kumta pinamyo iki form. While collecting the form for verification of percentage mark, submission of incomplete form without all necessary document will be rejected. Nada bisa submit iki form, tapi kam biang ikut isla can char reject. Mar bahaka tu kasingiru can shim nada pi submit no direct tu pendam nong tu submit no taken shim nada pi biang borok ikut isla. And a criteria for issue of admission form: minimum second division in bachelor degree, master degree examination must obtain 50% and above. Namta ka master degree mo second division namta ka bachelor but namta ka master bele ka dimlong 4% and above. Kun mau kata SC/ST room do second division and bachelor and master degree 45% above. Namta ki SC/ST kata ke general category berkenaan namta SC/ST. Tumur ba phapan crosswise 100% sejrong but BA but MA berarti. Okay. Written test will be on 11 June 2022. Khadwe tarik June kan test. The test will be held from 10:30 am to 12:30 am. Result of the written test will be displayed on the notice board and college website on 18 June. Result kan bi tarik June. Saturday at 2 p.m. Personal interview of eligible candidate will be held on 21st June and 23rd Thursday, June 22 and 11 from 11 a.m. onward. Kinsapan i hapo ka website jongka college bar hapo notice board. Final result of entrance test for admission into the 2-year B.Ed program semester academic session 22-24 will be displayed on the notice board and college website on 3rd July. Menbaga result baru akan premiere 3rd July after 2 p.m. Payment of fees from 8 July 22 to 10 July 2022. Tang kini kijing pentip te laladon ki mempat sutu bahasa komen apa comment section ngan yaraban batai pi kalong kumno ke yukumno te ki jingli ban third test ru ngasa batai ngan sa check lagi don em ki jingli barem dengan sa pen EP ki baron kam takane kuljibun.